Here we are at the beautiful Orpheus Island Research Station. Absolute cracker of a day today. Winds are forecast to stay down and we'll be able to get some beautiful time on the water. Huge day yesterday. Got up at about 3:30 in the morning to make it to Brisbane Airport. Did a bit of introduction to coral reefs, the main causes of reef degradation, crown of thorns, cyclones, climate change, mainly in relation to bleaching and ocean acidification. They both have huge impacts on the corals out here, as well as runoff from the rivers that affects water pollution, water quality.
When you love me gently.
Today we had a series of presentations of the pioneers behind reef restoration, overview of the history of different techniques and practices in different situations from case studies around the world. We then did an open workshop on getting hands-on experience with some of those methods, and then we went out into the field just behind us here to do what's called a RIS survey. And yeah, the findings were really incredible, and the different techniques that everyone sort of picked up will be really useful in both marine and terrestrial future applications.
It's at the end of day 3 here on Orpheus Island. This morning we're out for 3 snorkels, a little dawn patrol. So we're out on the point here, you can see behind me. We jumped into 2 dives across a beautiful section of coral reef and a third through the mangroves. This great to see a variety of ecosystems here on Orpheus Island. In the afternoon we had an opportunity to provide some feedback to the Reef Ecologic team and share ideas about how to help engage with other ecological interests involved in the coral reef rehabilitation.
So it's been a great couple of days here on Orpheus Island on the Great Barrier Reef, sharing knowledge and information on reef restoration with partners in the industry. And it's been great to workshop ideas about future programs, because the future of reef restoration, whilst Reef Ecologic has pioneered a lot of these projects on the Great Barrier Reef, it's all about partnerships, working with our collaborators such as Cardno, Ecosure, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority, the Australian Institute of Marine Science, James Cook University. We're all going to need to share ideas and come together to develop these programs going forward to ensure the health and the future resilience and assist the recovery of the Great Barrier Reef.
Adam, why did you start Reef Ecologic and what are your goals with the company?
It's a dream job. We aim to make a difference for the reef and the planet. So we undertake research, we undertake training, and we provide strategic advice here on the Great Barrier Reef and throughout the world. I think it's critical that people get involved in reef restoration and caring for the reef. The health of the reefs are poor globally, so we all need to be better stewards and to care, and reef restoration is one opportunity where you can make an ecological, social and economic difference.
This workshop has given us a glimpse of what is being done to restore the reef and given us the opportunity to get some hands-on experience. It has really inspired me to want to learn more and do more for our coral reefs.
And I guess my take-home message from this weekend has been it's all connected. Like, we're in the bush, these guys are in the water, but it is fundamentally connected. I'm going to show you that. It's connected.
What do you got there, Ed?
That's a painted sponge.
Maddie, you want to say anything?
No.